Hello Shilpa, so first let's see your rough studies. I think the process that you followed is correct, and the final design is looking good. Let's see the final design here. Okay, so probably this is your focal point, and the triangle here and these organic shapes are acting like an arrow which is pointing towards this point, whereas the organic shape below here is doing the same. uh, I really like your option 3 because in option 2 there is a high contrast between the values. So this is like a fifth or sixth watch, and then the one next to it is very light. So it's creating a lot of attention towards these empty spaces. So I think option 1 is okay, but not the best one. The option 2, again, it has very high contrast, it's missing the values. So probably we need to use at least 6 to 7 values from the 9-step value scale that we did as the first lesson of color theory. So as per that, I think I really like what is happening here. I could read that something is in background and then something is overlapping it. So these shapes are actually beautifully overlapping. Only one change that I would recommend is I really like this focal point here. So you could actually move this one around this area, and instead of drawing a circle around it, just keep it simple, a square and a triangle which is cropping the square, so you get this smaller black square. And instead of the circular part here, I'll just show you. Now you can repeat some of these shapes from here. Right, so you can like you did a rectangle, maybe you can repeat any of the section here. Maybe you can repeat a triangular section here. That is one way of doing it. So like if I completely remove, okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it will work. If we completely remove this circle and we just have these two squares like this, and then maybe some more area from here could repeat around this area, and then create the highest contrast. So black versus white, and the white has black dots. So don't you can use black here at some places, but the next color, the next value to the black would be a 8th or the 7th swatch, and here you will have black versus white. So this will automatically be the focal point, but this design is looking perfect. So you can go ahead and paint this as your final sheet.